Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bounce check on QuickBooks Online. So first is head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to check if there are any bounce checks, in the left panel, head over to Customers and Leads and click on it. Next is switch to Customers. And from here, you should be able to see if there are any bounce check from any of your customers. So say for example, this customer has a bounce check and to record it, click on receive payment. So from here, we're just going to add in a payment method in which we want to receive this amount. So say for example, we just want to receive it via cash. Then once everything is done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.